Maritimers have used marine radar to safely navigate through vast waters since the Second World War. Original requirements for these early radar systems were to detect the presence of large ships and coastlines in all weather conditions. As new requirements have emerged, traditional marine radars are no longer viable to cover all scenarios, and there is a gap in sensing capability across the industry. Millimetre wave FMCW radar offers high-resolution imaging and the same all-weather performance as existing radar technology, but with longer ranges than typical LiDAR systems can provide. Navtech has a 20-year history in deploying radar technology, and the latest generation of radar products are starting to solve tomorrow's problems today. Navtech's CIR Gen 2 radar has been designed for industrial autonomy, with a compact design and a rotating passive reflector, providing a 1.8-degree beam for ultra-high resolution. The radar is easy to integrate and can support a Cat240 output, operating at up to 8 Hz with an instrumented range of 600 meters in all directions. For the last 2 years, Navtech has been focusing on field trials to better profile its technology for common marine applications, including testing in an estuary alongside kayakers, paddleboarders, and swimmers. The presence of the kayaker and paddleboarder was detected up to 200 meters out in the raw radar data, and it becomes clearer as the vessel continues to approach. The radar data also outlines detailed detections of the coastline, which can be used as meaningful features to describe a location, enabling radar-only positioning. Supplementing the radar is Navtech's Terran 360 radar-based positioning solution. By comparing live scans to a pre-recorded map, the solution is able to provide high-resolution images illustrating motion estimation and centimeter-level accurate positioning, independent of any other sensors. This will enable system developers around the world to unlock GPS-denied navigation, dynamic positioning, and automated berthing. Navtech is looking for early adopters to pilot its pioneering technology. If you would like to evaluate the radar technology yourself, please get in touch.